Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2007 NauticStar 2000 Offshore. This particular boat is powered by a Yamaha 150 4-stroke. This engine only has 193 hours. This does have a transom live well. As we move forward, you'll see tilt wheel steering. This does have a newer Garmin EchoMap SV, Linko trim tabs. Up in your electronics box you have an ICOM VHF radio and a Jensen stereo. As we come through, this does have a large console area. Moving forward, you'll see a bow cushion and plenty of seating in the bow. This boat also has a T-top with spreader lights and electronics box. This concludes the walkthrough of our trade-in 2007 NauticStar 2000 Offshore. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.